Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple bundt cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of vegetable oil or canola oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of apple pie spice or cinnamon spice. If you don't have apple pie spice, that's fine. 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 medium Granny Smith apples, and you want to peel those, core them, and chop them up into small pieces. And then for the caramel glaze, you're going to need 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of butter, and you don't have to worry about softening it because you're going to melt it anyway. 2 teaspoons of heavy cream, which I do not have out yet, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, and then another teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then, of course, since it is a bundt cake, you're going to need a bundt pan, and we are going to spray that generously with cooking spray and preheat our oven to 325. Alright, in a large bowl, beat the sugar, oil, vanilla, and eggs with an electric mixer until they are light and fluffy. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next, in another bowl, we are going to just mix our dry ingredients, and I'm just going to stir that with a whisk. That's the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. And then we're going to slowly add that into our wet ingredients and mix it just to combine. Alright, that is combined, and it is very thick. So let's go ahead and fold in the apples by hand. Okay, all of the apples are folded into the batter, and it is very, very thick. So now I'm going to put this into the prepared bundt pan, and we are going to bake it for 55 to 70 minutes, or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Alright, that is ready to go into the oven. Like I said, 55 to 70 minutes, or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Alright, my cake just came out of the oven, and as you can see, it did sink a little, but it smells amazing. So now we're just going to let it cool in the pan for 20 minutes and then invert it onto a wire rack to cool the rest of the way. And when it's after we put it onto the wire rack, we'll go ahead and start on the glaze. Alright, my cake has cooled for 20 minutes, so I inverted it onto my cooling rack, and I'm going to get to work on the glaze. So I have the butter, heavy cream, and brown sugar in a small saucepan, and I'm going to heat that over medium heat. Alright, as you can see, my mixture is coming to a boil, so we are going to let that boil and stir it to dissolve the sugar, and then we're going to remove it from the heat and add our vanilla, and then let it sit 5 to 10 minutes to thicken. Alright, my glaze has thickened. It's actually sat up probably for closer to 20 minutes, so I am going to go ahead and drizzle that over my warm cake. Alright, my glaze is all drizzled, and I did put wax paper down because I knew that was going to be a mess, even though mine did set for, about 20 minutes to thicken. But look how cute that looks. It looks so yummy. So we're going to cut into this and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Hey, well, I'm going outside. Dang, nothing, Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye. Bye.